Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 9th. Children, in the previous class we have discussed displacement and distance. Distance and displacement. Right now we will see average speed and average velocity, or average speed and average velocity. Average speed and average velocity. Okay, what is average speed and what is average velocity? If you want to know these terms in clear, we have to perform one activity. Okay, we will perform one activity. Children, you need to go to Hyderabad. Okay, you are right now in the Visakhapatnam. So there is a train in the evening at 5 p.m. Understand? And the train will reach you to the destination. Will makes you to reach the destination at 5 a.m. in the next morning. Understand, children? You are taking the train by 5 p.m. in this evening, and you will reach to the destination by 5 a.m. in the next morning. Okay, means we have to start from Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam. You want to go to Hyderabad. Understand, children? Children, this is a Visakhapatnam. This is right now you are in the initial position. Okay, children? Right now you are in the initial position. See. This is the final position. Right now you are in the initial position. You have to reach the destination position. This. Okay. The entire distance of the trip. Okay. The entire distance of the journey is 720 kilometers. Children, 720 kilometers is the entire journey from Visakhapatnam to Hyderabad. Okay. Then why you written Vijayawada, sir? Because this is the halting position. Means from Visakhapatnam to Vijayawada and Vijayawada to Hyderabad. This Vijayawada acts as a halting position. See, the entire distance is 720 kilometers. The average journey time is what? 12 hours. You can absolutely know. Okay, if you want to travel from Vijayawada to Visakhapatnam, it is 6 hours journey. And if you want to travel from Vijayawada to Hyderabad, it is also 6 hours journey. So okay, 6 plus 6 how much? 12 hours. Okay, the entire journey time is 12 hours. Okay, by using these terms we can divide. See, simply 720 by 12 hours. Means 720 kilometers by 12 hours is nothing but 60 kilometers per hour. Understand, children? For each and every hour we are getting 60 kilometers. 60 into 12, 720. You can say like this, but the fact is, if I ask you, okay, the train is covering equal distances every hour or not? Means the train is covering the distance entirely. Suppose the train is here right now, okay, at 0 position. You think this as a train? Okay, for 1 hour. For 1 hour, it completed exactly 60 kilometers. For the second hour, it exactly completed 60 kilometers. No, we cannot say that the train is covering the equal distances in equal hours. We cannot say. Understand, children? The train is not at all covering equal kilometers or distance in the equal hours. Means for 1 hour 60 kilometers, next hour 60 kilometers, for the third hour 60 kilometers, for the fourth hour 60 kilometers. No, not at all. In the first hour, if it takes 50 kilometers covered, in the second hour it may take 80 kilometers. Understand, children? We don't know that the train is covering actual distances, means exact distances it is not at all covering. Understand? We will take the averages. Understand, children? You know the concept of averages. Okay. Averages means what? Sum of the observation by total number of observations. Sum of the observations by total number of observations. You know that in mathematics averages concept. So we will take 60, 80, 70, like that we calculate the total hours. Then we will get the exact value 60 kilometers. But not the train is exactly covering for 1 hour 60 kilometers, second hour 60 kilometers, third hour 60 kilometers, not that like. Okay, children. From this you know that what is average speed? The distance covered by an object. The distance covered by an object in unit time. The distance covered by an object in unit time is called average speed. Average is nothing but we can also denote it as AVG. Average speed. Okay, what is the formula for average speed? AVG, nothing but average. Average speed equal to total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. This is the, see how we calculated total distance. What was the entire journey of the trip? 720. By total time, how many hours we have taken? 12 hours. Understand, children? 0 cancel. 12 6 are how much? If we put 0 here, 0 0 cancel. Or otherwise you can keep 720 by 12. No, we have to keep 0 here. 12 into 6. 1260 is how much? 12 into, sorry children, 720 divided by 12, 60 times. Okay, nothing but 60 kilometers. We get the averages. We have taken all the average speed. For the 1 hour, if we consider 80 kilometers. For the second hour, it may take 40 kilometers. Like that, we have concluded all the 12 hours averages and we got the value as average speed as 60 kilometers per hour. Understand, children? Right now, we'll see average velocity. Up to right now, we have discussed average speed. Then what is average velocity? Average AVG, nothing but average velocity. I already said what is velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity. What is vector quantity? Vector quantity is a two-dimension quantity. Means it requires both magnitude and direction. Okay. For velocity, we need two dimension. That's why they say two dimension, magnitude and direction. Right now, we'll see what is average velocity in clear. See, we already discussed. See, this is Visakhapatnam, VSP. Okay. Vijayawada, VJK, Hyderabad. We have discussed like this. This is the, I said, distance is the nothing but average path covered by a body. This is the distance. Then what is displacement? The shortest distance covered by an object is called displacement. This is what is this displacement indicating? This is south-west. Understand, children? This is in the direction of southwest. The train is moving to due southwest. Okay. What is this kilometers? Means what was the distance? Shortest distance how much? 360. Then what is total time period? 12 hours. 12 into 360 how much? How much, children? Thirty into 10. 30 12. Okay. 30 kilometers due south-west. Understand, children? Means this path is the distance, children. See, this path is the distance. Distance means what? The actual path covered by a body is called distance. And what is the displacement? The shortest distance covered by the, okay, for this shortest distance we got the 360 kilometers. Then the time period is same, 12 hours. What is the direction? See, south. Not that, no, south. It is due to west, southwest direction. From this you can understand clearly. We'll see the next topic in the next class, children. Thank you.